Assalamualaikum and good morning. My name is Iman Haris bin Haikal, nama metrik 10DE 23F1042.
My name is Muhammad Azrul Hazim bin Abdul Wahab. My matrix number is 10DE 23F1091.
Okay, today we we like to share how to soldering using soldering and with a component resistor and IC at the straight board. Okay, we have a 10 step how to soldering the straight board. Firstly, tool and material getting. Okay, such as we have components. Two components we have. First, resistor and IC. Okay, we have a straight board, we have a cleaner, we have a vacuum soldering and steel wire. The most important, we should have a soldering iron.
Okay, secondly, the circuit is designed and where the component will be placed on the straight board is marked. Example, we want to do this lab. We design the circuit and mark the IC and resistor at the straight board. Okay.
Thirdly, component is insert. Okay, follow a second step, but now we put this component here. You can look like the resistor here and IC here. Okay, you can look for example like this.
Okay, for the fourth step, component are put in place with your finger or tape to prevent movement while soldering. While straight board down, okay, turn the straight board upside down and we must be place hand at the capacitor because we want to solder at this part, and we don't want the component is false like this because we want the soldering here and we must be
Okay, after that the soldering iron is ready. Okay, firstly you on the switch. Okay, wait around 3 seconds or 1 minute. Okay, after 1 minute or 3 seconds, you must be put and the soldering must be 360 Celsius before you solder this component.
Then join the stainless steel at the component and solder like this. We touch the stainless steel solder at the component in 3 to 5 seconds and to hit the straight board and the component, and we touch the stainless steel at the solder and up the stainless steel. You can adjust the component, the stainless steel like this. Repeat the same step here. We hit the circuit board and touch the stainless steel, and we can adjust the stainless steel. Wah, panas lah ni. Okay.
My friend solder this component. We must inspect this component because we can look this component is a fault or not. Okay, like this component not a fault. Very strong because my friend using a true step how to soldering.
After we solder and inspect, we must cut off the excess leg of the resistor to make it look better than it's now. This, and we must cut this like this. Yeah, this and this. Okay, let's look better.
The second last, after my friend cut the resistor, yes, okay. Now I want to repeat for the remaining component. Okay, now I want to solder the component. This component is IC. Okay, let's go. Okay, actually, when you have a not good in soldering, you can put out this wire. This. Okay, for example, you have had this place. Wait for 5 seconds or more. After that, okay, after that you can put. Okay, you can after the steel is hot, you can put out. Okay, like that. Oh, okay. I repeat. Okay, this IC have a 60 feet. Okay, now I continue.
Okay, finally, after we solder, we should let it cool down to inspect wherever it has any problem and clean what is necessary, such as the leg resistor, this, and dispose of them in the right place, like this. Okay, and we must inspect the resistor and IC. Right. Okay. Okay. That is 10 steps for the soldering resistor and IC, and we continued with the 5 safety.
For the lastly, we want to share about 5 safety when you soldering, and here are some closing statement regarding the 5 safety when you soldering.
Okay, first, the safety. The workplace is keep clean and organized. You can look the top of the table is clean and organized. Yeah. For the ensure safety and organized environments allow for better focus on the task, reducing distraction that might lead to accidents such as burns or electrical hazard.
Second, the soldering iron is handled properly. Like when you soldering iron can reach extremely high temperature. So for example, when you soldering, your hand, this hand, left hand have like here. For example, when you put earlier, your hand has a burn.
3. Good ventilation is ensured. Good ventilation helps maintain a healthy working environment by keeping the air clean and fresh. Like these tools, can suck the smoke that come out the solder, can out solder and we can open the window to release air in. Okay.
For wear a protector gear. For when you working with electrical component with soldering cloth expose you to the risk of the shock like glove reduce or the risk. Like when you soldering, you must wear a spec or glove because when you put a spec or a glove can save your eye and your hand.
5. Dispose of the waste properly. Sharp object or toxic material left in the workplace can cause injury or health hazard. Make sure we protect ourselves from this solder because the tip of the solder is hot and sharp.
Okay. In conclusion about this project, okay, successful soldering on a street board involve careful preparation, proper component emplacement, and precise soldering technique. After soldering, always trim excess lead, test connection, disconnection for continuity, and inspect your work floor quality. Lastly, following this step will ensure a reliable and efficient circuit assembly. That's from us. Thank you.